Cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today we are doing a, guess what, drum roll please, drum roll, a vlog. And yes, we are going to have fun. This is kind of like a normal day for me. Like I just whatever do, because for me, I don't like for sitting around the house, but I love when we just drive out. Like I don't even have to go to a store or nothing, but if I just want to just like drive, I mean, is that me, or does everyone feel like that way? Like you don't want to sit in the house, but you don't want to really go nowhere, but you just want to go? Leave that comment down below if you guys do that too. But oh, I forgot. Did I do my intro? I think no, I didn't. Hey kids, it's your Kpcutie, and I'm back with you, cutie pies. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call you now. Instead of calling you the cuties or cutes, I'm gonna call you cutie pies. Cause if I'm cutie, I'm gonna have to have my cutie pies. Like, don't you guys love that call? Comment down below if you guys love that name, because I think that's a cute name for you guys. My cutie pies, my cutes, my sweets, my sugar loves, my honeydews. But no, you're not gonna be honeydews, you're not gonna be sweets, you're gonna be my cutie pies. But yeah, enough of all that. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I do lit videos over here, and I also do kind of like cute DIYs for you guys. I do recreates of celebrities. Also, I do like a lot of things. I might be doing also some other things. I might do some other things that might surprise you. So yeah, subscribe to my channel for that. And yeah, don't forget to hit that little notification bell to be notified when I post a video. And yeah, let's get into this video. So first up, we're gonna have our breakfast, which we went to Krispy Kreme and got these cute pumpkin spice donuts, and they are bomb. So try them out before they're gone. And now we're gonna go time skip to the car. And now here we are on the car. We're on our journey to go to, I think, our first destination. First destination, Steak and Shake, which is my kind of favorite place to eat, because they got a bunch of milkshakes, and I love me some milkshakes, which I got the banana milkshake in here. And also I got me a garlic knot burger, which it was bomb. Like, you guys gotta try it if you go to Steak and Shake, so try it out for yourselves.
I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm ready.
It's DIY time. The items you're gonna need is stretchy fabric. You're gonna need outfit that you're gonna cut out to make your tracings, and then you're gonna lay them flat. Which I'm gonna go let Cutie show you how to do this done, because I think Cutie's got it in back. So I'm gonna let her show you how it's done, because sometimes you don't need all that talking to see what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna let her do it, and yeah, I'll meet you guys back when the outfit is finished. So see you guys till then.
Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. For sure.